Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Icelandic language knowledge with Memrise, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your Icelandic language knowledge using Memrise, start by creating an account on the Memrise website or app. Choose your preferred learning method, either through the website or by downloading the mobile app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the course selection page and search for Icelandic language courses. Select a course that aligns with your current proficiency level, whether you are a beginner or looking to advance your skills. Take a moment to review the course details, including user ratings and content topics. After selecting a course, begin with the introductory lessons to familiarize yourself with basic vocabulary and pronunciation. Engage with the interactive flashcards, which will help reinforce memory retention. Utilize the audio features to listen to native speakers pronouncing words and phrases, enhancing your listening skills. Practice regularly by setting daily learning goals within the app to keep your language skills progressing. Explore the difficult words section to revisit vocabulary that you find challenging. Make use of the community features to connect with other learners, share tips, and ask questions. Participate in the spaced repetition system that Memrise employs, which helps in consolidating your knowledge over time. Incorporate the use of Memrise listening and typing exercises to improve your comprehension and writing skills. As you advance, consider exploring more specialized courses focused on conversation, grammar, or specific vocabulary topics. Supplement your Memrise learning by watching Icelandic films or listening to Icelandic music to gain contextual understanding. Lastly, track your progress regularly to motivate yourself and identify areas where you need more practice. By following these steps, you'll effectively enhance your Icelandic language skills using Memrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.